In this video, I want to show you how to connect your PC computer to your Brother MFC-J1365DW, how to print, and also how to get the scan results from here directly on your PC using Wi-Fi. Step number one is to go on the printer itself, and we need to connect it to the same Wi-Fi network as your PC so that they can communicate together. Let me show you how it is done. Then on the display right over here, you're going to press the settings button on the top left corner. Use the down arrow until you have highlighted network. Press OK. Select the first option, WLAN Wi-Fi, by pressing OK. And then press OK once again. Press the right side arrow. And the printer is now searching for every networks that are around it. This is the list of the networks, and by using the up and down arrow, you can highlight your Wi-Fi network. Press OK, and now it's time to type the password. By using the digital keyboard and pressing these arrows, you'll be able to type your password. If your password has capital letters, just go over there, press OK. And it switched to capital letters. If your password has numbers, you just go over here, click, and you have a number pad. So go ahead and type. Go and select OK and press the OK button. The printer is now currently connecting to the Wi-Fi network, and you're going to get a confirmation message in around 10 seconds. Here you go, connected. Then on your PC computer, we need to click on the Windows logo. Sometimes it's on this corner. Then select Settings. From the Settings menu on the left side, select Bluetooth and Devices, and then select Printers and Scanners. We need to add the printer, so we will click on Add Device right over here. These are all the devices connected to the Wi-Fi network. Select your printer, Brother MFC-J1365DW, okay, simply by clicking Add Device. Wait a few seconds, and you won't have to install any software, any drivers. It will work automatically. Just be patient. Usually it takes a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and from connecting, it will switch to connected. So let me be back when this is done. As you see, it's currently installing the firmware, and now it says ready. Next step, if you want to press, every time you're going to want to print a document from your PC, you're going to open it, and then you're going to press the print icon on the top right corner, this one. On the left side, you're going to click where it says printer, and you're going to select your Brother MFC-J1365DW. From here, if you go down, you'll have multiple options. If you want to print in color or black and white, let me select color. If you want to print on both sides of the page and other settings. So check them out and then press the print button to launch the print. It usually takes less than 13 seconds to get the print out. So, as you see, it has been printed nicely. Now let me show you how to use the scanner. To use the scanner, actually, the two different scanners of this printer, you have to input the paper. On the basic scanner, we call this a scanner glass, you're going to take your document, you're going to place it facing down with the top part of your document, you see, towards the left side. And then align the top left corner of the page with the top left corner of the scanner glass. And then close the lid. If you want to use the automatic document feeder on the top to scan multiple pages at the same time, the printer will, by the way, detect automatically where the pages are input, over here or over there. You don't have to select this manually. Let's say I have multiple pages over here that I wish to scan, and I don't want to do them one by one. Well, I will align my stack of paper. I'm going to place the stack of paper facing down. Now this page is printed on both sides. That's why you see that it's not facing down, but it actually is. With the top part of your page towards the left side, and you're going to glide it. Make sure to open this small flap. And the good news is that on your PC, you do not need to download anything, at least for most people. Most Windows computers come with an app called Scan. It's made by Microsoft. So go into the search bar and simply type Scan. You see, it's over here, the Scan app. If you don't see it appeared, you can go into the Microsoft Store and download it. It's free. It's very easy to download. Again, made by Microsoft. It takes 2 minutes and you will be able to launch this app. On the left side, you can select your Brother printer, MFC-J1365DW. Over here where it says source, you can select manually or leave it to automatic. It's really up to you. For example, I have put my paper in the automatic document feeder, so I'll select feeder instead. And you'll have multiple options. Press the scan button, and at the end, you're going to have a label on the top telling you that it has been saved. Let's wait a few seconds. Okay, so this is how it looks. Has been saved to desktop. Perfect. You can press view to view whatever got scanned, or to go in the folder where it got saved, and you'll be able to see them. So this is it. I hope my video was helpful. If so, leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.